These are Eagle Grit hand wipes. They're a complimentary item to our mechanics hand cleaner, and they are made for the mechanics, the technicians that are on the go and that are away from the shop. Like our hand cleaner, our hand wipes are solvent-free, free of harsh chemicals. It's water-based, so you can use it on the go. And again, it's safe for your hands, safe for your skin, and works as good as any hand cleaner or any hand wipe on the market. The tub comes with 72 wipes. It has an orange scent, and as much as you're going to want to, I don't recommend eating or drinking the product. We haven't finished that part of our R&D just yet, just for your hands for now. A lot of the other products on the market will dry your hands out, crack your skin, and by the time you get to the bottom of the roll, most of the cleaning properties will already be gone and they'll be dry as well. But Eagle Grit hand wipes are super soapy. They set up great. They'll last all the way to the bottom of the roll, and again, they will not dry or crack your skin. A lot of the competitors will use a cloth that has some sort of a grit or like a sandpaper type feel to it. But for us, because of the aggressive nature of our cleaning product, we didn't have to do that, so we went with a nice smooth cloth that's better for your skin and works just as good, if not better. If you'd like to give Eagle Grit hand wipes a shot, you can try your local dealer, or you can visit us on eaglegrit.com or check them out on Amazon.